sensitive in race.
And race.
Yeah.
So it's ready to just punch.
Yeah. Feel it gearing down.
Just okay.
Go to first. There we go.
Okay.
We'll just
I felt the first one it's kicking like the last one.
The
normal one.
Yeah. Very much calmer.
It's too much. It's too much of a car for this. I mean, it's like 630, right?
Yeah, you don't even hear the exhaust. And when you're revving it like this, you'll see that the rev counter doesn't go up. It just changes gears very low.
Didn't even do that final kick from 2 to 1.
It's just smooth.
But it's still a little bit louder than the H6 in terms of the way the exhaust is. Like you can hear it a bit, even in normal mode. Compared to the H6, I think it's a nice bridge, like between someone who loves sporty sounds and just comfort throughout, because the H6 then will come in for that part.
Across the lane indicating it round with me, and
it's starting to complain now.
Said, what are you doing? You see, we'll go down your normal mode. Fourth gear, fifth gear, sixth gear.
When you get to 7, I doubt.
It won't get to 7.
Yeah.
It's warning me I'm going over the speed limit.
Because it's 60, yeah. Right?
It's up, I was doing 70, so it complained. What I'm going to do is let's go to race. There's nothing behind us, so I'm going to stop dead.
Yep. Let's see how hard it pulls now.
There we go, you ready?
Yep.
Sounds beautiful. Back to normal. The normal's strong as well, so this little bit I'll just give a stronger pull away in normal.
In normal now.
Yeah. It hasn't got that grunt of the race mode, and it's still smoother on the gearbox.
Yeah, I can feel that though. You in normal you get that uncomfortable sound as if you're, when you're pulling a car that is not necessarily a race car or a sport car. Let me put it like that. But in race, it gives you the comfort that what,
you're now in a car that
can do that. Let's say it with the window open.
Complained about the speed limit in one block.
Already? The
other thing you'll see, it's got instant reaction. So I'll see how the traffic is here. And cut the corner. Now we'll be in traffic. Funny, it wasn't your turn, you didn't even look. So if you're driving along and you need to have acceleration, that's in your normal modes. It's very seamless. You don't feel that, but it just kicks back and goes.
I remember H6 actually felt like that. So it's everything, the same engine, same almost everything, but obviously now the exhaust is...
But a lot more refined.